Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Friday, the 6th of September, 2024. From our studios in Jimette, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at what's going on in the Atlantic, here just east of the Les Antilles, we have the axis of a tropical wave, which is also interacting with an upper level trough, and this has since brought some cloudy skies with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms across Dominica during today. And out in the central Atlantic, some 1,400 miles away, another tropical wave which is expected to approach the area sometime next week, Tuesday into Wednesday. None of these systems has any chance of development during the next 2 days. Now looking at the 7-day chance of development, the tropical wave in the central Atlantic expected here next week, Tuesday into Wednesday, also has a low chance of development within the next 7 days. So I can say that both systems has a low chance of development during the next 2 to 7 days. Now, taking a look at the earlier satellite imagery, here we can see some blowups of convection associated with that tropical wave, which is interacting with that upper level trough in the region of Dominica, and this has since brought some isolated thunderstorms and showers across Dominica during today. And also out in the central Atlantic, convection associated with that tropical wave expected to approach the area sometime next week, Tuesday into Wednesday. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with the systems, most of the significant moisture can be seen to be pulling towards the north, towards the Leeward Islands in association with that tropical wave interacting with that upper level trough. However, we can still see some moisture towards the south. Therefore, we can expect to see an increase in cloudiness to continue with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. So we're advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise some caution. And here we can see some significant moisture in purple associated with that tropical wave expected to approach the area sometime next week, Tuesday into Wednesday. However, none of the systems has any chance of development within the next 2 to 7 days. Now, having a closer look at satellite, here we can see convection associated with that tropical wave just off to the east of Dominica. And you can see some sort of a circulation here in association with that upper level trough, which continues to pull most of the convection towards the north. Now, taking a look at earlier radar imagery, some moderate to heavy showers with some thunderstorm activity can be seen across the extreme northern portion of Dominica during the morning period. We can also see some moderate to heavy showers off to the far east of Dominica as it continues to move in a northwesterly direction. Also, looking at radar, we did see some scattered moderate to heavy showers as well as some isolated thunderstorms across Dominica, mainly during the afternoon. That's across the central and western areas of Dominica during the earlier part of the afternoon. However, we can still see some pockets of showers off to the east, so we should look out for that as well. Now, taking a look at the Saharan dust, a reduction in Saharan dust can be seen in the region of Dominica due to the presence of moisture. However, we are still advising people with respiratory sensitivities to exercise caution to avoid complications. Tonight's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms. Similar conditions can be expected into tomorrow. So we're advising again people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise some caution. Sea conditions are expected to be slight to moderate with waves up to 1.5 meters or up to 5 feet. High tide will be at 4:48 a.m. and 4:40 p.m. and low tide will be at 11:30 a.m. Again tomorrow, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms can be expected. On Sunday, mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms can be expected. However, as we move into Monday, we expect to see a relative improvement in conditions by Monday. Winds expected to remain on the low between 10 to 20 kilometers per hour. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:53 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:13 p.m. Please remember that we are in the peak month of the hurricane season. Stay informed and be prepared. You can like, follow, subscribe on our social media platform as well. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. See you again on Monday for another weather broadcast. Take care.